Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming UEFI mode and creating a recovery plan. This prevents lockouts. Once done, reboot into your firmware settings, usually F2, Dell, or ESC, so you can change boot options. Make sure to disable compatibility support module or legacy boot and temporarily turn off fast boot to reveal options. Set an administrator password in firmware. This protects key enrollment steps. These actions let you safely proceed to enable secure boot without losing access to your system or recovery tools. Now enable secure boot in the UEFI menu and decide which key set to use. This determines which bootloaders are allowed. Choose standard or Microsoft keys for easiest compatibility with Windows and mainstream Linux. If you need custom signing, say for a self-built kernel, select custom and import a platform key exchange keys, and your allowed signature database. Make sure to follow prompts to confirm changes, because once you enroll keys, the firmware will restrict unsigned binaries. This step enforces chain of trust for boot components. Finish by saving your firmware changes and rebooting. Observe whether your OS loader starts. Once booted, verify secure boot status. On Windows, use system information. On Linux, use mocutil SB state, so you know enforcement is active. If the machine refuses to boot, make sure to try the firmware recovery or disable secure boot temporarily to regain access, then inspect which key or loader signature failed. As a troubleshooting tip, restore factory keys or use your backup PK/KEK to return the system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.